Thank you so much to our partners at Promise and the Center on the Developing Child at Harvard, and congratulations to the Promising Venture Fellows. You are positive forces for change, and we look forward to continuing to work with you. After all, the workshop's mission to help kids everywhere grow smarter, stronger, and kinder depends on sparking innovation and creativity in early childhood, which all of you are doing so well. We are living in a time of great upheaval with regard to health, racial justice, the economy, and of course, education. The need and the opportunity for innovation in early childhood education has never been greater. And we feel fortunate to be able to continue to contribute something to the work that entrepreneurs like yourselves are doing. Sesame Workshop was born at a similarly turbulent time, the late 1960s, during the Civil Rights Movement and the War on Poverty. Our founders, social entrepreneurs themselves, were determined to address the dramatic inequality in preschool education. Back then, the new technology of the day, TV, was proving to be completely captivating to children. So Sesame Street was created to use that tech innovation to extend early learning to every child, and especially to level the slope for less advantaged children and put them on equal footing when they arrived at kindergarten. Since then, we've embraced new technology to meet kids wherever they are. So we're excited to see like-minded entrepreneurs like you using tech in new ways to support parents, connect school and home, personalize learning, extend home visiting during the pandemic, scale impact, and disseminate professional learning. We all know that quality early learning points to tremendous ROI, but commercial market forces alone will never serve every child. Educating every kid is a long game and one that demands a cross-sector response. Sesame Street was an early example of this. The study behind the creation of the show was funded by the Carnegie Corporation of New York. We got to a mass audience on a government-funded platform, PBS, and we grew and became sustainable through a combination of partnerships with commercial and philanthropic enterprises. Today, we're using a modern version of that blueprint, always seeking new partners and new types of partnerships. As we embark on 2021 and hopefully a post-pandemic future, partnerships within and across sectors are as critical, if not more critical than ever. I love that Promise Venture Studio puts partnership at the center of the fellowship experience, and I challenge all of you to partner and seek to align your efforts and impact goals for your work benefiting young children. Whether it be research, providing care, teaching, building products, or investing, especially if you can look across sectors to bring education, health, and social service together in new and innovative ways. We can close in on the goal of educating every child equally and well, but it will take all of us working side by side and across boundaries to accelerate innovations with impact. So congratulations once again to the Promising Venture Fellows. And to those of us joining today, please consider reaching out and connecting to any fellows that interest you. Once again, it is our honor to be part of the Promise Network, and we are excited to see where all of this leads. From everyone at Sesame, thank you.